Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex Santana, man. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I was craving some nachos, so me and my wife, we're gonna be making nachos. So stay tuned. All right, yep. So we got our ingredients. We got we'll be using Mexican style blend cheese, triple pepper jack cheese. It's not just regular jack cheese, it's triple. My baby got triple. And then for sour cream, we'll be using this caquita, crema salvadorian. Isn't that say caquita?
No. Cacique.
Anyways, yeah. And then we got the jalapenos. And then we'll be using ground beef. We got the pinto beans. And then these are the chips we'll be using. So yeah, we got the foil on the pan. So yeah, the next step is we're gonna be dicing. My baby right now is dicing the tomatoes and the, what is that, baby?
Green onion.
Green onions. So yeah, we're gonna cut everything, get everything prepared, and then we'll put everything together on the pan. Yeah. All right, guys. So while my baby's cutting the veggies, I'm gonna be cooking this meat. Saying, cooking the meat. So, I'm gonna chop the top off. And I'm gonna let this heat up. I'm gonna let the pan heat up real quick. And then once the pan is heated up, put the meat in there and we'll start cooking the meat. Alright, guys, the pan is heated up. I'm gonna put my meat in there. Put the meat in there. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, taquita. Ooh. Alright. We're gonna let that meat cook real quick. Stay tuned. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna add this taco seasoning. Yeah. I want all my taco seasoning. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're gonna mix it up a bit. We're gonna let this meat cook real quick. Alright, guys, so the meat is cooked. I'm about to add these black beans to it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let the beans warm up a bit. Once this is ready, I'll be able to, you know what I'm saying, put the chips, put all the toppings. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We whipping it up. Cooking with Alex, let's get it. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we got the, wait, what? We got two different types of beans?
Refried beans.
Alright, so we got the
Black whole beans.
And now we're about to heat up the refried pinto beans. So
Pinto beans.
let's get it.
Oh.
No, mommy.
It's okay, you can use a fork. Be careful. No.
No, they're fire.
Once you cook them,
Woo!
be careful.
Come on, drop the load, bruh.
Oh, yeah, just put the whole can in there.
Taquita time. Just kidding.
That's nasty. Some beans, and then the black beans with
The meat.
the ground beef.
Alright, so we go. Alright, guys, so I'm about to start putting the nachos together. Let's get it. So first, we're gonna put Juanita chips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one layer of chips first. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we got one layer of chips, and then I'm gonna save the Mexican one for the top one. We're gonna start with triple pepper jack cheese. Cheesy. Yeah. That's why they call me a chef. Just kidding. Alright, so now we got second layer, right?
Yes. Second layer of chetos.
Second layer of chetos. Juanita chetos. Yeah, that's like the whole bag of chips. Alright. Now we're gonna do Mexican style, you know what I'm saying? Because we're Mexican. So we want Mexico on top. Yes, sir. You know nachos gotta be cheesy. Ooh, get close up, get it close up. Ooh, yes, sir. Extra cheesy.
I think that's good.
No.
The
right.
niños.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright. So what's next, baby?
Alright, then we're gonna put the ground beef with the whole beans on top. Like spread it around. Like sprinkle it around like you did with the cheese.
Alright. Put it closer. Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, that's perfect. So it's like everywhere. Oh yeah. You don't want to overcook the ground beef because they're gonna put it on the oven. That looks perfect.
This looks fire, I'm not gonna lie.
On this side too.
This looks cute. What y'all think, man? Let us know in the comments. All of it, right?
Yep, all of it. On the corner. Oh, on this one. Over here. Yeah. I'm over here like.
It's all good. Be real with me, baby. Just let me know.
And after you're done with that, you're gonna take the refried beans.
Refried beans?
And you're gonna like you could just do dollops because I don't think it's gonna like spread.
I'm gonna
Like,
I'm gonna do little chunks here and there.
so it's like kind of like a dip.
Yeah, exactly.
Bean dip.
Yeah, because you don't want to have little beans everywhere.
Ooh, you see that steaming? Yeah, I know. The
Right, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right. So what's next, buddy? What are we doing next?
We are going to. What are we gonna do? Oh, we're gonna put the veggies and everything on top. So hold on, let me.
Are we doing it?
Here. Oh wait, actually no. We're gonna put it in the oven right like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Veggies after.
Like
yeah.
after.
Oh wait, we gotta start the oven though.
Oh shoot!
All right, so we gonna start the oven, and then we'll get back to you guys when the oven is ready.
That looks so good.
I'm gonna look at that. Ooh, yes, sir.
Yummy.
You ready?
That looks so good.
All right, guys. So we're about to put the nachos in the oven, but I want my jalapenos to be kind of cooked. That's what you say, right? Cooked.
Nice, mama.
All right. Oh damn! I needed some grip on that. You know what I'm saying? Like I be gripping them cheeks. All right, get it closer.
Don't put the juice in there. It's gonna make the thing soggy.
That looks so yummy.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do half because
Open this. Then open this. Then open this. Just use my cold water.
Alright,
Yes.
that's
Hold on, I'll open it for you right now.
good. Alright guys, it's time to put the nachos in the oven. Let's go. Let me get my handy dandy gloves. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a chef. we official, you know what I'm saying? I put these in here for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so right now, guys, we're just waiting for the nachos. They in the oven, you know what I'm saying? Taking a commercial break. This commercial is brought to you by Sprite. All right, guys. I guess the nachos is ready, so let's see what they're looking like. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what you call nachos. So now, my baby's gonna put the you're gonna put the veggies, right, baby?
Yeah.
So yeah, go ahead.
Alrighty. Oh yeah. Okay. So we got tomato. We don't have onions or olives because
We don't mess with them.
well, I like olives, but he doesn't like olives. So
Yeah. Okay.
so tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Sprinkle it around. All good, because tomatoes good. I'm gonna just do all of it so we don't waste anything. And then these are green onions.
I know you guys' mouth is probably watering right now, because
And
mine is.
avocado.
Avocado! Avocado? Avocado. Yeah, hold on. Avocado?
Avocado. It's avocado commercial.
My baby loves avocado.
Yes.
My woman loves avocado.
Avocado.
Yo, what y'all think? I think we did an amazing job, not gonna lie. Teamwork makes the dream work. Two-piece. Two-piece? Some avocado
It
action.
smells so good. It smells really good.
Yeah. Hold on, mama. Sheesh, look at that. Damn, baby, you did great.
That looks so good.
Dang. Yo, guys, it's time to eat. Let's go.
Oh no, wait. Last thing.
Oh, la crema.
I put holes on the top of this.
Hey, that's Mexican way.
Okay. Let's see here. And watch this. You see the drizzle? Watch the drizzle.
Oh, damn, baby, you drizzling for real. Sheesh, look at that drizzle. I'm gonna call you Miss Drizzle. Miss Drizzle my nizzle.
For shizzle?
For shizzle nizzle. Let's go, guys. Look at that shoe. Look at that. Damn. Let us know how we did. What y'all think? Time to eat. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth, man. Okay. Tasting for y'all, man. Then I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna taste them for y'all, and then I gotta get to work, man, on these nachos. Damn. Brett, that should kill. I'm gonna take one more for y'all just because they're that good. Yes, sir. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, yeah, we good. I'm not gonna lie, guys, that's probably like a 9.5 out of 10. But alright, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this food with my girl. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed cooking with us. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.